Hi, I'm Jai Sanghvi, Director at Laxmi Looms. Before entering ERP, we face several operational challenges. Our bill of material is complex and tailor-made, because of which we often face inconsistent data, improper time management, and delays in accessing critical information. Coordination between departments like sales, purchase, and finance is time-consuming, and because of which it leads to mismanagement and improper time management. After implementation of ERP, we have seen the way that we have operated has significantly changed. This ERP has brought all our departments into a single platform. It also provides multi-level, optional and futuristic options for this year, which has led to proper time management. Real-time data connection has become, across all operations, has become a reality. Inventory management has improved, production planning has significantly improved, financial planning has seamlessly improved. We strongly recommend this ERP to customers seeking to streamline the business operations and scale efficiently. It has been